Alright guys, I now have the belt on. Let me show y'all the tool that I had to use. Because first of all, a lot of publication says to raise the car up in the air and take the passenger side front wheel off. Well, I'm not at a shop, okay, so that wasn't an option. It still is an option, it's just I couldn't do it. I don't have a jack. And I don't want to feel like taking all the tire and stuff off. So the tool I ended up using was my long mountain 14 millimeter tool. And it's fairly simple, guys. I ended up going down there. Y'all see the tensioner bolt. It's a 14 millimeter. Okay, now I'm gonna set that there. So I'm trying to get y'all a good view. It's real simple, guys. I had to get my 14 millimeter head on the tensioner bolt. Okay, so when I get it on there, I simply pull down clockwise. Y'all see as I pull, I get tension, or I relieve tension on the tensioner, which will allow me to put the belt on. Okay, I will put the belt rider in the description, but I finally got it on here, guys. Whew. I'm saying woo because I haven't done one, so I don't know what kind of surprises I was going to run into. That's the only thing I hate about working on none. Chrysler Dodge product. Now, yes, I know a car is a car is a car, and a belt is pretty standard on any car, but as far as tools go, I didn't know what to expect, and I came over here with a general tool set. Okay, nothing fancy, so I simply had to go to the shop and get my mountain 14. It's either 14 or 916. I had the metrics, so I used my metric mounting to get it on there, and it's on there. Now, I'm not done, guys, because look, this belt would jump right back off if not repaired. Look at all that oil. I have an oil leak somewhere, so I can almost assume oil just spilled on everything. The belt slipped off. Okay, so before you start this car, because you're dealing with an oil leak, you might want to check the oil. Okay. I don't have a rag. Let me just wipe that off right there like that. Stick that back in there because it might be risky to even start this car at this point with all that oil. And, okay, I'm not bone dry. I'm low, but I'm not bone dry. That's enough to start it. Only reason I'm going with valve cover, guys, is because I see oil up here. I'm not sure if anything leaking over here, like in the timing chain area, is going to make its way up here. So it has to be coming high up. So let's start this thing up and see if we can see anything. Alright. I can smell the oil. Oh, I actually hit the exhaust, so that's probably the smell I'm smelling. But the belt is on there rolling smoothly right now. But it's only a matter of time for some oil hit that belt and it slip off. This is what's bothering me, guys. This puddle of oil right here. It almost has to come from higher up. I already got partially cover off. So what I ended up getting was a valve cover kit, valve cover gasket kit. Alright, it looked pretty standard, nothing major. Held on by some 10 millimeter screws. Take this off, this off, this off, this off, this off. Alright. Nothing fancy or major about it, but I need to get it done. Okay, so, and after I'm done, I need to give it a bath, steam clean it, wash the engine. So you can see how I went about diagnosing it. If you're faced with one of these, any car, it doesn't have to be a Toyota, if you see oil leaking, just know that it could hit your serpentine belt. There's only one belt on this car. Serpentine belt drives everything, so if any kind of oil residue get on it, it could easily jump and ruin your belt, and you have to go from there. But you really need to find the source of the oil leak and repair it. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, guys, I'm back. Here we go. I don't know who made this, but it wasn't too bad. It was $20-some. Velcro's been known to make some decent parts. Okay, so I ended up getting a valve cover gasket kit. Okay, so let's see looks easy. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna yank this valve cover off. From what I can see, I need to get all the cores out. All these look like 10mm good, because that's what I brought with me. Get this hose off and this hose off, and we'll see where we at after that, guys. Let's get with it. Alright guys, as you can see, when I removed this valve cover, part of the gasket stayed on, part of it came off. And one piece of advice, guys, you might want to let the car cool off before you start removing anything. One thing I didn't get that I always preach about when you're dealing with oil leaks, always get a PCV valve. Okay, I have to go back and get one of those, but for now, you can see. And that's why you saw that oil on the spark plug tube. That comes from the seals. Good thing about this is the seals came with the new valve cover kit. Okay. Yes, so, wow. Alright, so let's get this valve cover all the way off and get this new seal put on. Alright guys, I got the valve cover all the way off. Now guys, this valve cover was broken right here. So, and it's also hardened. Okay, it's so brittle and hardened, so this likely was your source of oil leaks. Everything is hard and brittle. It has never been changed. Alright guys, let me speak on this real quick. Anytime you're doing a tune-up and you pull the coil out and you see oil all over it, just know that your spark plug tube seals are leaking. Now these don't have like external tubes, but the channel or the tube that seals between the valve cover and the head is likely at fault. Okay, unfortunately, or good for this car, they designed the valve cover gaskets to include the spark plug tube seals. Okay, so good thing on Toyota parts. I think some of the Chryslers, PT Cruisers, they all come separately and they cost a little extra. Okay, so anytime you see oil on a spark plug coil, you may have ruined this coil. Who knows? If you have a misfire after you're done, that certainly will be the case. But for now, we're gonna try it. Okay, so let's finish this job up. Alright guys, that's about it. I got everything bolted back down. Now before I install the cover, this is the old gasket. Like I say, it was brittle and hard. This likely was one of the cause of the leak. Before I put all this back on, I'm gonna go get some, I got some degreaser I want to spray on here and give the car a bath. Okay, clean up all this oil, because if I clean all this up and this oil show back up, there's another source of oil leak. There's another place oil leak is coming from. Okay, but I never like to just do a repair and give a customer their car back without verifying if it's repaired. So what I'm gonna do is top off the oil, number one, likely change the oil, and go to the car wash with some degreaser and give the car a bath. Go test drive the car, recheck for leaks. If there is none, I'm done. Put the cover on, deliver the car. That's a wrap. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm at the self-service car wash. All I need to do, man, to finish this job off, I went and got me some of this, guys. Engine degreaser. Real quick. I'm not gonna be up here all day. As you can see, I don't have much daylight left. I'm not washing the car. I hope this thing don't charge me an arm and a leg and quarters, because I don't have a lot of quarters. So let me turn that off. Pop this hood. Woo! Get this thing knocked out. How much is this? Alright guys, that's it. I am wrapped up. I'll go drive this thing about 5 miles. Recheck and see if any oil on top. And I'm done, guys. I'm done for real this time. Alright? Because it's getting dark. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. And I'll see y'all on the next video.